And here, if you go to all widgets, here you have this widget here, right? You just simply drag it and drop it here, and this is the default design that comes with it. And let me just delete this because we already have a design here. And then I just have selected a background color and content background color. That's it. So you can select this one and change whatever you want, in the sense the text title, or you can change the description. Similarly, you can change the icons. You can just disable icons, or you can upload your own custom icons, or you can select the one that you like from the design library, icons library, I'm sorry. And now let me just remove this one. Yeah, toggle the row 4. You can shuffle it here, and then if you see the tags, you can again select the tag, HTML tag that you'll want. And then you have under style options, again we have border width and space between options. In between these two toggle what has to be the space between. You can increase or decrease the size. This option was not available in accordions, I guess. If you see, yeah, we don't have this option here, but we have the space between option for toggle, right? And then title, styling, colors and fonts, and then icon styling, left alignment, right alignment, and then colors, active color, and again spacing, right? If you make it here, you can change the spacing as well. And the content styling, background color, font typography, and the amount of padding that you want inside this area, right? So now go ahead and try this option and see it for yourself. Use your creativity. You can make it look much more prettier than what I have done here. The context, my effort was just to show you what can be done, and now it's your time to play around with your creativity. Use this widget and apply it in your projects, right? Let's go. We'll see you in the next video with another widget. So now we have covered accordions and toggles, right? So we'll see what is social icons and shortcodes and all those things remaining. These are all the simple widgets. I can cover all these in a single video. Let's see what happens. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.